Hey friends, if you wish to change the weather location on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now it's not difficult. So it shows the weather for my city, but what if I wish to check it for another city? So I'll click on the widget here. Now it may or may not show the weather. Like in my case, it does not. If it does in your case, you can directly proceed. If not, then just check what has to be done. Click on this plus symbol, select weather, click on pin. Now once it is pinned here, here's where you can change the location from. Click on manage location and search for the city here and select it. Okay, now when you click on this, it will add it here, and then when you click on this, it will show the weather for London. But in the widget here, it will still show the location of the current area. Now if you want London to be the primary area, simply make it home. Okay, so this is how it is done. I'll show you. First of all, I'll click on manage locations. Now corresponding to the location London, I will click on this home button here, which makes it the primary location. Now it will always show the weather for London at the left bottom corner of my screen. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.